Welcome to Violet's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking Nigerian jollof rice. In here are all our ingredients. Here we have our garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, salt, white pepper, Maggi seasoning, curry powder, nutmeg, thyme. We have our bay leaves, stew seasoning, onga. Here is our tomatoes. We have our pepper, sweet pepper, onion, rice. We're using basmati rice. Here we have our meat stock, vegetable, tomato puree, and some butter. All right, guys, let's start cooking. All my peppers and onions have already been washed. Put these onions aside for later use. Ginger and garlic. Going to be adding some vegetable oil to the pan. Going to be adding in some diced onions. Adding my tomato puree. Going to be adding my blended tomatoes and pepper. You can decide to parboil this before frying, but I haven't got time for that today. So I'm going to be leaving that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check on our tomato base. At this moment, I'm going to be adding all my spice. Adding my water from the blender. Some low heat. Add my onga. Now I'm going to be adding my washed rice. Add my meat stock. You can choose to parboil the rice, but I always wash my rice straight away. I don't parboil it. Let's check on our rice. Just going to taste if I need any seasoning to be added. Perfect. Perfect. We're going to be cooking our rice on a low heat. At this point, I'm going to be putting my butter in there. Add my leftover diced sliced onions. Mix it all up. Leave it on a low heat to cook. Let's check on our rice. Let's check on our rice. It's cooking nicely. Jollof rice is meant to be burnt and have that smoky flavor. Unfortunately, that's why I don't like no sticky pot for jollof rice, because it won't bend, it will just be pulling around there. Put off the gas for a bit. Our rice is ready, guys. All right, guys, our jollof rice is ready. Nigerian jollof rice made with fresh juice and turkey. You can serve it with some vegetable, but this is how I'm having it tonight. Thank you for watching. If you do come across my channel, please do me a favor by subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment, like, share, and press the notification button. So whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.